Okay, straight arm front raise with a plate. Common movement, it's really easy to set up and do as a superset because plates are everywhere in the gym, right? So the accessibility of doing this exercise is pretty common. You'll often see guys, and girls for that matter, training something else and then they'll go and grab a plate and just do these as a superset. It's that sort of exercise, very easy to set up. So I've got a 10 kilo. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you grab it correctly. Now the wider the plate, so the bumper plates are harder than the smaller plates, just depending on what you want to do. Hold it at 9 and 3 in terms of clock position, okay, because that's how we're going to lift it. I'm going to project it away from the body. I'm going to brace, soft elbow, and I'm going to start basically at my waist or below my waist and bring it up to above my eye line. And you'll notice that my swing is minimal. I'm keeping my chest up and a controlled movement. Now, if your chest is up and your elbows are soft, you're going to catch your chest as well as your shoulders. And that's the point of this exercise and why it can be very useful as a superset or an individual exercise. It's the straight arm front raise with a plate. Now, the only limitation it's got is the plate itself. They come in 10s, 15s, 20s. You can't work your way up in smaller increments. So if it is something that you want to do, either you chase extra reps with a 10 or a 15, depending on where you're at, or you just base it on a superset and use fatigue as your instrument of choice there to manage and get through the session appropriately, all right? So that's our movement. There's very little swing, very much control all the way down, and you'll notice the plate movement circles away from me. That way I've got the best control possible. So straight arm front raise with a plate, very useful in a number of ways. See how you go.